Hello and welcome to the World Government Summit. This is the India Today group here in all its strength. I'm Siddharth Zarabi from Business Today, and with me some of the leading lights of this network. Geeta Mohan, Foreign Affairs Editor, fresh after a massive interview with the Russian President. Anjana Om Kashyap, a household name in India. And here, she's been an absolute celebrity. Although we interviewed some celebrity US journalists also, and Maria Shakil from India Today, everything about politics is the last word with her. And Anjana, I'm going to start with you.
Yes.
World Government Summit, this is not the typical batting ground that you are usually at. So how do you feel about this?
The best part of this is the kind of energy and the kind of nerve center that UAE is aspiring or has aspired, probably has already arrived at becoming in terms of investment, in terms of, you know, diversification, like not sticking to the old oil thing. They're on their toes. And if this kind of
economy that is reinventing
itself.
Geeta, almost what, 4 dozen heads of state from all around the world. So it's for the benefit of our viewers in India. What's the World Government
Before
Summit?
Geeta speaks, I have to tell you this, Siddharth. So we were both of us were just walking down, and this guy literally walks up to Geeta. Geeta, ma'am, हमने आपका Putin का interview देखा. You were fabulous. So Geeta is getting that kind of attention here at WGS.
Yeah, but so is Anjana. Having said that, Anjana, we thought that the United Arab Emirates is trying to reinvent itself, Siddharth, and WGS is not. This is not the first year for WGS, but this certainly is the biggest.
Yeah.
We have been following WGS for a few years, if not for a very long time.
And in a world of flux, Geeta, where there is turmoil, there is disruption, trade, I think the sense we could tell our viewers is that all these heads of states and like-minded countries, and there's a Russian presence also here, they're all coming together to figure out how to navigate this world.
But before all that, again, Siddharth, India Today is the chosen partner, Maria.
Yes.
Like, from India, we are the only media house that has been invited here. And, you know, it's great to be here. Like,
In terms of conversations, as Anjana was pointing out, the focus has shifted towards the Middle East. I think that's where the key is. You have had 40 heads of
Why
state.
would you say shifted? I would say that it was always there. They were energy suppliers to the whole world and
but
still are.
But nobody spoke about it as much as we are talking about it now.
Siddharth, you know, if you look at it, it's about the policy laboratory. That's how I see this place. You know, you have the kind of conversations by the heads of state. Yes, there are also top business tycoons who are all around. The CEO of Hugo Boss talking about how the spotlight has moved away from US and UK. There are other conversations which happened with Cynthia and others with regards to AI. So as we have been saying,
I wouldn't much agree with that. You know,
artificial intelligence, right?
Any brand operating out from a lot of countries will, when they're here, they might talk about this is the biggest platform, but you cannot overlook a US or a EU. And in the backdrop of the
Geeta, we've done this, a world that is splintering. A global trade order of 4 decades, which is completely being taken apart by the United States, by President Trump. What did you notice here in the conversations that you had both on camera as well as off camera about the mood with regard to global trade?
Well, to begin with, the fact that we are right where we are standing is where the most difficult conflict is taking place in this neighborhood. And that's why every conversation that you're seeing with leaders, amongst leaders, has to do with the ramifications and repercussions of that conflict. And that conflict is being decided by the United States of America. So yes, in a splintered world where trade is important, West Asia, that's the Middle East for the West, where Middle East is important, Siddharth, it's really important for that stability to continue.
And the spotlight on India growth story. That India has managed to ink multiple trade pacts, Siddharth, from European Union
I mean, the last
to US.
15 days.
No, Siddharth, my question to you, Siddharth, my question to you come this side. We can avoid the sun, like in the daytime. Listen, we're wearing jackets.
Right there, viewers, the logo of the India Today group, the only media house from our great country. Right there, up there for you to see.
So proud to be here. But my question to you is the India growth story. How do you see that featuring in big platforms like this now?
Okay,
and in the backdrop of the
you've given me a subject which is like...
I've given you a loose ball. It's your time to hit the 6. Go ahead.
See, we are in Dubai,
Yeah.
and I was fortunate, along with other colleagues, Rajiv Sardesai, to be in Davos. So, meri ye yatra in some ways is from Davos to Dubai. And let's narrate these 3 weeks.
You're not landing on the planet.
European
You're like-
Union set the cat among the pigeons by saying the mother of all deeds. There was really no need for the head of the European Union
Why?
to talk about it there at Davos.
But
I
she
mean,
did. Yeah, okay.
That's
She
a
spoke about
gathering
it
of...
in Davos,
just-
right?
And
You just
then,
reiterated it in
literally
India.
24 hours
No,
later,
this is because
you had the
Siddharth
US
Siddharth
president
is just laying
responding to that.
foundation for
And
his
then it-
6.
So the,
Siddharth is just laying foundation for his 6. Where he
no,
wants to
I'm
say
laying the
that
foundation to
India-
go to some brilliant coffee, okay? My takeaway, top-notch coffee.
No, but
it's
Siddharth, when you're talking about the India growth story, you realize that there may not be enough Indian businessmen around, as we have seen in Davos. Top titans, all of them there in Davos with you. You interviewed all of them. Here it is more about startups. Indian startups who are doing phenomenal work, generating a lot of money here in Middle East.
okay,
So
but,
there is-
but I want to throw a curveball at you, Anjana.
Yeah.
बार-बार इवेंट होते रहते हैं. This is one more event. What do? Indians go talk to Indians. This is what was said about the World
Yes.
Economic Forum. Why are MOUs being done by a Mumbai-based company with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Now that you are here,
In Davos.
I mean, is this criticism fair? Is it founded in some good argument?
I would not like to defend either of them. The politicians should defend themselves, and so.
No,
should-
but as an observer.
But as an observer, my limited point is this: that what matters ultimately is that such forums make it convenient and possible for these big people from the industry to meet these,
just that, Anjana.
policy makers, decision makers.
No.
And what's wrong with that?
Not just that, no.
What's wrong with
the ridicule or the jest was the
criticism.
fact that both were Indians. They could have done it in Bombay. Both were from Bombay. My thing is,
No, but
sometimes,
Devendra Fadnavis
sometimes-
explained it well.
Sometimes-
There is a reason why it was being done in Davos, because of that particular company actually having investors in Davos.
No, that aside.
Yeah, and if you are an
sometimes you
observer
need a
of the
global
Gulf,
stage.
Geeta,
Sometimes you need a global stage.
where would you
Siddharth.
see within like 500 square meters, 4 dozen government heads, and you can pass by, and some of you have just
the
kind of...
sad part of
No,
this,
no.
Siddharth, is like we were
Sometimes,
discussing off
Anjana,
record.
you need
Geeta.
global stage. You need that stage to show where you're at and the market you're addressing.
Exactly.
And where you're going towards.
So has
Where
India,
I
like,
am,
has-
where
Anjana,
yes.
Anjana,
Here,
Absolutely.
market
Anjana,
There's no
There is
denying
a-
India has arrived and India is setting the narrative. If you look at it, the Indian businessmen may not have been represented. The
Because this is
delegation
more
may
of
not
a
be,
government's kind of summit, yeah.
But the future is India, is the sense that you get here, particularly with regards to regulation or AI, and even in the conversation which is about India as the go-to place for manufacturers
And
and
Geeta,
also
the air
for
is
other
clear,
companies.
the sun is biting.
Beautiful. The weather is
So-
beautiful.
So,
You didn't-
so
you
those
didn't
of
let
you,
me make
those
my
of you
point.
back home,
You didn't let me make my point.
go ahead,
yes,
Anjana.
please go.
My point is, why did going back to what you said, if Ursula von der Leyen announces it in Davos, there is a reason.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Come.
She could have very easily waited for
She sent
27th
a,
January.
she
was in
sent a
India.
geopolitical message.
She sent a geopolitical message in which
Because
she
Trump
was saying,
arriving there, Anjana.
yeah.
Well,
The message
over-
was Trump
Anjana-
for Trump and the entire world.
And
No,
he
Anjana,
responded.
over here
He said
also-
we'll soon have a
over
deal.
here
And
also
that,
was reaching
if you
there.
look at the representation, my limited criticism, Siddharth, would be that I would have loved to see more government representation
Yes.
from India over here.
Yeah, that's right.
Because if you don't realize that this is the future, then you are making a real mistake.
In fact, in the list of invitees, I had seen
but-
2-3
but-
names. I
but-
can't
but-
remember.
I-
But I
saying-
love the industry representation. I mean, the
Emerging,
top-notch.
emerging.
No, the top notch are here.
Yes.
We've had discussions, we've been on panels, top notch are here. And what they're delivering in terms of messaging, that's critical. I don't think a lot of people are looking at it right now. They will start looking at it in some time.
Okay.
So that is
Also,
very
just getting our audiences here, this is one of the various platforms on which you have these open air, house of impact kind of audios where the discussions are happening and all kinds of sessions are happening. Which is your favorite one?
Which one is my
The
favorite?
AI
The one
and the AZA one?
Azza was
We
really
can sit here. We
good.
can sit
Azza
here.
was really
And the
good.
one you moderated,
So my sessions were fantastic. My sessions were absolutely fantastic.
Okay, so
Catch
let's...
them on India Today Global. All of the sessions are there on India Today Global. But having said that,
Yes.
the some of them in terms of AI technology and what it can do is mind blowing. If you see those sessions, the fact that animals speak, they have a language.
And this
Unlike
is so-
And AI can
explaining
let you
it,
decipher
So
that.
this
was
is a
crazy.
realization increasingly because we all follow the subject of AI in
I'm
our
also gonna
individual work, in our platforms that we work for and are fortunate
I have
to.
an AI anchor.
Yeah.
You and your clone.
She has a clone.
She's already anchoring for me back home at 9 p.m.
Is she doing Halla Bol?
She's no, she hasn't arrived there yet.
That's a good question.
So you know what?
That's for another day.
Yeah, but
Can
I'll tell you
AI
one thing.
replace us
One
completely?
thing, and I put this question to one of a person from a CEO from one of the largest telecom networks in this region, Etisalat, now called EN. And the question is that earlier IT used to be something that was outsourced to the IT department,
Yes.
Yes.
to the CTO. And every single conversation I have had, if you are the CEO or if you are a new associate who has just joined the company, an entry-level guy, you need to know AI for your personal life and for your job growth.
responsible AI now.
Whether AI takes your job, see what has happened in the last few days to IT stocks because of a anthropic work
Yes.
on a legal solution. Tens of billions of dollars have been
probably
taken off.
walk away
But if you don't absorb and adopt AI in your daily work life, in your personal life, you're going to be left behind.
So in one of
Interestingly,
your- in one
Siddharth,
of
since
your
you're talking
panel
about
discussions-
AI, technology and others, it's about AI literacy as much. Because the academia and the big
And Maria, you
titans
know
are
what is
looking
the
at
big
differently.
difference there?
I'll tell
You don't need to type to an AI
Huh.
agent. You can
So-
just talk
so-
to your AI
so-
agent.
so
you can
with-
tell him,
with
do
AI
this for
literacy,
me.
I think the
it's
future will
preparing
be
our
about
children.
giving the right prompts.
Yes.
Humans will need training in giving the right prompts.
But
to
I
AI.
can tell you,
so
there
in
will
my-
not
in my-
be any of these anchors that you see here that
up.
AI will be able to do. They won't be able to
I agree. No,
cook you
he said
great
that they
food.
can't replace
You will not be able to get a
Siddharth-
travel experience
Siddharth,
because of
but
AI.
But can I
Siddharth, at 6 p.m. daily, the package we run, the story we run before the debate, my voiceover is done by my AI.
Okay.
And even I cannot tell. No one can tell.
But Anjana, let me ask
She's
you one
clone.
more question.
So there are
Since we
dangers of
talking
deep
about-
fakes, Anjana. There is a danger of deep
So
fakes.
it's about social
it's
responsibility
already
as well.
happening.
It's about social responsibility.
absolutely.
You have a responsibility also towards your viewers.
Yeah.
that we moderated, I asked, is AI going to
Brilliant
replace
stuff.
people? Is it going to lead to job loss? You know what
AI is
one
not
of the
going to give you
panelists
this
said?
coffee.
no.
AI is not
The
going to give you
panelist
this
said
coffee.
that AI, people who know AI will replace people who don't know AI.
So it's
That's
about
the
literacy, being informed.
Yes.
But
Chalo,
you know,
let's turn to
one
politics.
One
No,
moment,
let's
one
turn
moment.
to
No,
domestic
Siddharth,
politics.
No, let's turn focus on
Oh,
the
no, are we doing
representation in
domestic
the
Trade deals,
politics?
global
yeah.
south.
You talked about the trade deals.
Anjana, the
That's
global
right.
south
On-
representation, the
Yeah.
focus on African nations. We are seeing that's a huge
Latin America, South
Americans,
America.
huge
Okay.
representation.
God.
here.
So allow me, and this is perhaps going to be the last part of our conversation. So I want to take this. We are here. We are looking at how the world, how CEOs, how different governments are looking at India. India's size, scale, 1.4 billion people. Equally, even Indian entrepreneurs that all of us have spoken to also talk about speed of doing business, some issues, some complexity.
Scale.
But the question, we have done a conversation, the Prime Minister of India has done a conversation with the President of the United States. Something that was stuck for 6 months has sort of been sorted out. The fine print, even with the EU deal, we know that the final agreements, legal ratification is all a few months away. Geeta, I'll start with you on this. Why would you now make a political controversy out of this? I've been a business journalist all my life. I understand politics and political economy, but it beats me. Why do this? Is there something fundamentally? Have you sold, God forbid, the nation to America?
So the
क्या हम ट्रम्प के सामने झुक गए हैं?
That's the whole problem, you know. I don't mind the opposition asking questions. I mind it if they're not informed. Have they read what the deal is? If they've not read, how are they criticizing? Why are they stopping? Why are they questioning? They should read the
The
fine
fine print
print.
has to wait. They have to
Before-
wait for
yes.
it. They have to wait for the fine print.
Don't jump
Imagine
just
the
because
president's
this
address
government has
and
done.
the PM's response to it in the Lok Sabha.
Maria,
That is not
shouldn't
what happened
shouldn't we
yesterday.
be happy that it was Trump who announced it? The same
Yes, yes.
Trump who was calling India dead economy.
You know what happened on the other day?
His main
One of
advisors
the
were
Congress
saying-
spokies on my show says, ये रात के अंधेरे में क्यों announce किया? मैंने कहा मैम वहाँ पे सुबह हुई थी.
हाँ.
Like what
America
happened to
में
you? all?
सुबह
What's your understanding of the world?
सूरज
12
वहाँ
hour
12 घंटे
difference.
बाद जागता है.
और रात में अमेरिका ने I was like, Ma'am, it was morning there. Like,
You can
realize what you're
read
talking
the
about.
fine
You know,
print.
Come in, come in
the
on this.
politics of it.
You know,
I
we
think
got the US ambassador.
Yes, he was
You
there
were
on the
live
phone.
on the show. He
Yes.
joined us, and he even spoke about how Trump tweeted out that fantastic historical India Today cover. Imagine the impact that we have.
And
Absolutely.
the lines, Siddharth, it was about mover and shaker. It was only and only about Prime Minister Modi saying that how he has held onto his ground, he has been resilient while the entire global environment has been turbulent. So it was complimenting Prime Minister Modi.
So, Anjana, is politics trumping business, and is
Absolutely.
that the biggest risk to India's growth
And
story?
disadvantage.
I would
yeah.
say India's resilience and the way we have carried ourselves in this past is going to be our trump card.
No, but is
You know,
domestic
no, I-
politics
I
our
don't-
Achilles heel?
No, but that's going to keep happening. I mean, how do you...
That'll
keep
Well,
happening.
that's how
So that
politics
does keep
function,
happening.
yeah.
All
But what-
politicians
what
world
about-
over.
Russian oil
They
ka
don't
kya
get
hoga?
to, they
Maria,
no, but
Siddharth,
they
have to
don't
do this.
get
You
domestic
want our
comfort.
leader, opposition leaders
Should
to
we
say,
stop
wah,
buying
wah, wah,
Russian
wah, wah.
oil?
I don't think
Why?
so.
Absolutely not.
Why?
Absolutely not. That
No,
India is
but
going
we
to
are not
continue
bound
to
by
decide what they
anything
want
to
to do.
But the
buy
US
only
is
Russian.
saying till you
No,
go
that's
to
what-
zero,
that's-
it won't
No,
become
can I
18. Yes,
can I
Geeta.
give you my take?
Yeah.
This
One by
is
one.
this is just a leverage for Trump. The moment Putin and Trump sign something or agree on something, Russian oil will become kosher, Siddharth. You will see it happen.
Okay, that's
you will
a very
see
good
it
perspective.
happen.
That's a very
Can
good
I answer that
perspective.
now?
Yes, Anjana, please.
Okay, post the sanctions, Russia has not been able to give us the price with the same kind of discounts that we were
Yes.
originally buying.
Yes.
That's the biggest point. Now, we are not bound by some law or some kind of humility or no, we have to do it with Russia.
No, we have
Whoever.
to do it.
No, we
No, but even
We
the
have to
Russian-
do it with Russia.
Even the Russians have issued
I
a
know.
statement literally 12 hours ago. They are saying,
हाँ, सस्ता मिलेगा वहाँ से लेंगे यार
but margin
सस्ता
कम हो गया ना,
मिलेगा।
margin कम हो
मार्जिन
गया।
कम होगा ना, ठीक है कोई नहीं।
No, the
Nice.
जहाँ
question
सस्ता
around
मिलेगा
Russian
लेंगे।
oil, I think, was
It will be
replied
temporary.
really-
It will be temporary.
Really
Wait
well.
till Putin and Trump crack it. Once they do, Russian oil will be kosher.
Okay.
This
You know,
is just
I agree with
leverage.
this woman that you know every time we Indians have this habit of कल तक तो बता रही थी ट्रम्प से बड़ी दोस्ती भाई नहीं है अब उनको चिल्लड़ गई तो हमने बता
वक्त बदल गया,
अब
समय
बदल
बदल गया,
फिर वापस
pitch बदल
अब
गया।
दोस्ती हो गई तो दोस्ती हो गई।
Let's-
अंजना,
let's just
पिच बदल
relax.
गया, वक्त बदल गया, समय बदल गया, बट बैट्समैन ने विकेट नहीं छोड़ा।
That's what I'm saying.
drill, baby, drill.
It's about India reading White House right.
Yes.
Prime Minister Modi actually read all the belligerence and the aggression which was being displayed by Donald Trump every day. He would put out something on Truth Social,
And that's why
with
as
a
we
lot of
wrap,
caution, with a lot of
because
caution.
I'll go out and I want to say this. You know, people use these disparaging comments, Godi and all of that. That is rubbish. Look at the truth. And I have been fortunate in the last 2-3 weeks to go out to, as I said, Davos and Dubai. People are not doubting India.
Yes.
It is our own people who doubt
doubt.
India. And I say this
Yes.
with absolute honesty. There are problems, there is complexity. 1.4 billion people in the Gulf. You know, what we have in one mohalla is the population of one emirate probably.
Yes.
But there is opportunity. There is
And the
opportunity.
way the world is looking at us, our own people are not looking at us. And I think that is the real challenge, you know. The duck diplomacy we did in the recent days, how we managed America is unprecedented. It's something that the world can understand,
And
follow,
let's leave it
decode,
there.
read
Let's
and
leave
live.
it there. And we say Khuda Hafiz to all of
coffee
you.
से ज़्यादा
We
कुछ
will
भी कुछ
say
नहीं करना था, बस
Namaskar,
coffee पीना था,
Sat Sri Akal, and we'll see you again.
Anada.
Until then, goodbye.
Thank you.